Alright, let's not waste any time. We are talking about the real next generation Ultra watch from Samsung. And honestly, the news we just got is wild. It's the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2, which is expected to be launched alongside the Galaxy Watch 9, tentatively July 2026. If you have been waiting for Samsung to finally give us a true competitor to the super rugged watches out there, this is the video you need to watch. Hit that like button and let's dive into what we know about the Watch Ultra 2, also known internally as the Watch 9 Ultra. If you remember, Samsung launches the Classic every other year. After the Watch 4 Classic, we got the Watch 5 Pro with a massive battery, and the subsequent year we got the Watch 6 Classic. And the next year we got Watch 7 Ultra, and in 2025 we got the Watch 8 Classic and a refreshed Watch Ultra, and now in 2026 Samsung will be launching the latest Watch Ultra 2. Thanks to a solid report from Galaxy Club, we know Samsung is working on a true sequel. Now this watch is expected to come with a new chip and offer the best of the battery performance and some brand new health-centric features. The biggest upgrade and the one that will dominate the 2026 tech headlines is expected to be the non-invasive blood glucose monitoring. This is a technology that measures blood glucose levels without piercing the skin. It aims to replace traditional blood glucose meters by using non-invasive devices that shine light or other signals through the skin and analyze the reflected or transmitted signals to estimate glucose concentration. And in this case, the watch's sensor will be able to do this. These technologies are still under development, and while there is a great demand for them, a clinically viable FDA-cleared product has not yet been fully commercialized. In early 2025, according to Sam Mobile report, in the Galaxy Tech Forum held in California, Samsung's Senior Vice President and Head of Digital Health Team at Mobile Experience Business, Dr. Hon Park said, "What I'm really excited about is our team. As you may have assumed, we are working on a non-invasive optically based continuous glucose monitor. I can't tell you the time of launch, but I'm very excited about the progress we are making, and this, if we do it right, will be a game changer." This was an official statement from Samsung, and if this feature is developed and tested, then there are possibilities that the watch could come with blood glucose monitoring, which is going to be insane. At present, this measurement is not available on any of the smartwatches. Apart from this, the watch may retain the same 590 mAh battery, and it may come with a brand new chipset which will be a successor to the W1000 chipset. Because this W1000 chipset is currently available on 2 generations of watches, and the next generation should have the new one, or they may retain the same old one. And there is no information leaked about these specifications yet. If Samsung bumps up the battery, it will add more bulk to the watch, which is already pretty bulky for smaller wrists. However, if they can retain the same form factor and increase the battery size, nothing like it. And let's also hope to see a new advanced sensor which can measure health and sleep more accurately. So to wrap it all up, the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is officially coming in July 2026, built on the core platform of the Galaxy Watch 9, and the focus will be endurance and more accurate health-centric features and some new health-centric features as well. It's a long wait, but if Samsung uses this time to nail the battery efficiency, integrate that blood glucose monitoring, and use a killer new processor, this could finally be the true champion of Android smartwatches. What do you think about this? Drop a comment, share your thoughts, and while you do that, be sure to hit the subscribe button and become a part of Apex community, and don't forget to hit the like button for this video if you find this video informative and interesting. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.